Need to insert your handwritten signature into Microsoft Word? I'll show you how to capture your signature from paper, insert it into Word, clean it up, and save it for future use. Let's get started. First, we need a clear image of your signature. Use black or dark blue ink on a blank white sheet for best contrast. Place the paper on a flat surface with even lighting to avoid shadows. Open your phone's camera app, hold it steady, and take a clear, high-resolution photo. Transfer the image to your computer. Use email, cloud storage, or USB transfer. In our case, we'll use email. Now, let's bring the signature into Microsoft Word. In this case, we're signing an invoice for a client. Open your document where the signature is needed. Click Insert. Select Pictures, then choose this device to locate your signature image. Click Insert to add it to the document. Let's refine the signature for a professional look. Right-click the image, select Crop, and adjust the edges to keep only the signature. If cropping made the signature too small, adjust its size by dragging the corner handles. Click on the image and go to Picture Format, then select Remove Background. Word will highlight the removable areas in pink. Adjust the selection if needed. Then click Keep Changes. Click on the image and drag the corner handles to adjust the size proportionally. Click Picture Format, select Corrections, and adjust brightness or contrast for a sharper look. Click Picture Format, choose Color, and select Black and White. The last thing we need is a signature line with the name, title, and email. Click Insert, go to the text section of the ribbon, and click Signature Line. Type the name, title, and email of the signer. Ignore the rest and click OK. Click the image, select Wrap Text, and choose In Front of Text. Align it to the left, center, or right of the document for a professional layout. Drag the image directly over the signature line. Resize it, if needed, to ensure a natural appearance. To save time, let's store this signature for easy reuse. Click and drag to highlight both elements. Click Insert, select Quick Parts, and choose Save Selection to Quick Part Gallery. Name it My Signature, and click OK. Next time, go to Insert, open Quick Parts, select your saved signature, and place it instantly. And that's it. Now you have a professional digital signature saved and ready to use in any Word document. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.